It's over to the big stock movers of the day. Vivek is at the big wall.
Well, thank you so much for that. What a recovery today that we've seen. Now, talking about the list of stocks that did very well in the session. First up, have a look at Bharat Electronics. Numbers came in day for yesterday. Yesterday evening, the company held an analyst call. Very strong guidance in terms of maintaining number one, the order inflow. The street was worried about that, and even the margins expected to remain quite strong. On the back of that, stock saw quite a bit of recovery, almost 5% higher today. SBI Life, in fact, at the first half of the trading session, the entire insurance pack was buzzing. SBI Life amongst them, almost 3.5% amongst the top gainers even in the Nifty pack. When you're talking about from the broader end of the market, have a look at Syrma SGS. The stock actually moved higher quite significant yesterday. Today up another 15%, and this was on the back of a very strong set of results. Brokerages upgraded the stock. Amongst them was the LSA upgrading the stock to an outperform rating. One stock, a bit of a surprise, JSW Infra. Remember, the management trimmed down the volume guidance to the lower end of the guided band, but the fact that the company actually saw third-party volumes surging better than the own group captive volumes, the stock ended higher by almost 10%. And SBI, one that you mentioned, the PSU banking stocks results so far have been quite good. SBI amongst the top Nifty gainers, almost 5% higher, but quite a few laggards as well. The first stock on the radar, Tata Motors, clearly underperforming today. A lot of auto stocks, especially in the first half, quite a bit of selling pressure. Tata Motors down over 4%. First Source Solutions yesterday was amongst the top gainers. Today saw quite a bit of profit booking emerge, almost 8% lower. Suzlon, we told you in the morning that the margin band is something that will moderate going forward, down almost 3%. Indegene, a soft Q2 recent listing, the stock corrected quite significantly today as well. And lastly, Dabur, earnings tomorrow. Remember, the update was quite muted. Ahead of that, the stock ended lower by over 3% today.
All right. Thank you very much for that, Vivek. Appreciate it.